So in this video, I'm going to be showing you my week forecast for this week and possibly next week. So I'm going to start with DXY dollar index to know what dollar will be doing for this week. You've been following my trading view and Twitter, which is X, updates, you'll notice that I've been bullish on DXY for a long time now. And my focus has been true coming to pass. I said that we're going to see DXY break this old high. It did that 2 weeks ago. Now I said that the next thing is this high right there, and right now we are that high. So you can see if you go back, you will see my markups. You can see that this imbalance should hold price. It's already hold price and like that. So you can see um, how I'll be able to predict what market is going to do, call the market movement accurately. So now for this week, let's see what market will do. But I must warn you that previous results it is not an indicator of future possible results. That I was accurate for the past few weeks doesn't mean that I'll be accurate this week or coming weeks or months. So please do your own due diligence. And also, I don't recommend that you trade live with my idea, my concepts, my analysis. Instead, I recommend that you go on to your own chart and see what I'm showing you, if they are true or not. And if you are convinced they are true, then use demo. Trade demo with them, not your live fund. So please, any risk you take is on you. If you trade with live more funds, is on you. Please, I do not recommend that you do that, please. So let's start. So now DXY, looking at this move, let me go to monthly to see clearly. So where is it going to a monthly time frame? I have this clear imbalance above price. Yeah, I believe this is a draw on liquidity for us. It is drawing price to come inside of it. So DXY is still bullish, very much bullish for the long time. When will it turn bearish? If by any means we break this old low here, close below it, then that means for a long time, dollar will be bearish. But for now, dollar is right now bullish and is doing well in that, in being bullish. So our imbalance on higher time frame is it. We also have this bearish order block right here. So that's our draw on liquidity. So if this is the case, then this I will be a chicken change for data to actually take out this week. It's just something so cheap. Price will take out this week. Yeah, this old I should be taken out. Then price tap into this clear bear shadow block, then further into this imbalance on monthly time frame. So if we break this bear shadow block, then this imbalance on weekly will be next. So that's on the DXY. I'm bullish on it. So for Monday, let's see, which is today, Monday. Is it possible to have a retracement to this clear imbalance there? You know, maybe price might retrace on Monday today, and Tuesday. Then Tuesday creates the low of the week. Then price pump up, something like that. This can happen to this imbalance, and then something like that can happen, or possibly just for today might not be much, and then keep going higher. So I don't have other personal assurance what it will happen today or tomorrow, but I just know that this week is for buy. So I'll go into this week hunting for buy setups only. So what if we break this low? Also possible. It means if we break this low, close below it, then it means this week will be a bearish week. Maybe next week can further be bearish too. Just to have some retracement and clear this low, and then come deeper inside this imbalance right here, and from there, go higher. So it's possible we might have some short-time deep retracement to this place, and then maybe October we can have continuation higher. Anything gonna happen. So we will clear this low here, tap deeper, keep deeper a little bit. Of course, it don't touch this old high here. We just went higher. So I'm bullish on this one. Nevertheless, I'm still bullish on it. So yes, it's looking like it wants to trace deeper to this imbalance here and then go higher or break this low and then continue higher. So but overall, I'm bullish because right now sort of accumulation is actually going on right now on DXY. It's kind of accumulating. You can see that it is so clear that this is an accumulation phase for price. So we can expect some manipulation to happen. Price can manipulate, drop lower, and then to go higher. So that, I think, yeah, but then on DXY, quite clean and clear for me. Um, EURUSD. So let's see what price will do. So EURUSD monthly. On monthly, we tap into this bearish order block right here, and just like this, I have this imbalance calling for EURUSD. Say, come, come and enter into me. So this imbalance is calling price to come lower. So what that means is that we will clear this low. Yeah. So this low is a form of liquidity for price to clear. So when will it turn bullish back? Possibly if you reverse, broke this high, you know, price will turn bullish if you break this high. So for now, this guy is bearish. So nothing bullish here for me on Euro USD. So weekly time frame, what do we see here? Same stuff, this low is taken already. A close below this low very well this week would mean that this low will be for price. So price will seek to chop this low, eat this low. You know what I mean? So this will become a pepper soup for price to take out. If this low is taken out, where next this imbalance on monthly and then come deeper, yeah, here. So basically, EURUSD is a reverse of DXY. So that's that. So let's say so low daily. What do we have on daily? On daily time frame, what do we have? I'm seeing a low here. This low, equal low. So equal low we should be taken out will be taken out because price is bearish. They would have this equal low formed last week, so that is for that bearish. When you track price movement and you know price could not close above this swing last week, so bearish. Also, but also price could not close below this low, this equal. So should be taken out this week, but there's a possibility, looking at these two candles close, that price might want to retrace a little bit, take out this I, maybe this I, two, maybe this I too. So, and with that, maybe tap deeper into this special block or this imbalance right here. If this happen, it means that if this I is taken out to the closing basis, that further means that we're going to end this month with a little bit of retracement higher, and then October we see price tap go deeper, a little bit bullish, maybe to this place, and then sell further downward from there on to clear this equal low. So, but basically, I'm bearish on this guy, like 80% bearish, unless this I is taking out the closing basis. Then we have a short-term bullish retracement um, to premium level before price further sell. So 4 hours, what do we see? Yeah, clean. So right now price is respecting this low, this high, higher high. This is a breaker. So price kind of respecting this breaker for now. So let's see what price. So also ranging is not going lower or higher, just ranging in the zone. So I'm expecting some manipulation and then price move further in the right direction. So Euro USD for me this week is bearish. You GPUSD, same concept with Euro USD, but let's check it as well. Monthly, price tap where high, this breaker right here to the left, couple with imbalance, which I still call unicorn. So this is a unicorn set up a monthly. So you can see the imbalance price close below the mean threshold of that imbalance, below the mean threshold of the imbalance. So now where's price going to next? I'm seeing this low quite clear for me. Yeah. So that is our dual liquidity. And imbalance price can start to visit this imbalance again, once again. Yeah, so that is that. And of course, price kind of eating deeper into this bullish order block. This might, I'm not saying it will, might give price a short-term retracement on daily 4 hours. So weekly, same stuff. I can see imbalance here. Yeah. So clearly here. So if this low is taken out, this balance will be next. This is already taken out already with the closing basis. You can see that this kind of more clearer than Euro USD. Yeah. So this is more bearish than Euro USD for me. So yeah, so quite clear and clean. So that low is our soup, the price we seek to take out, and I'm seeing a low here too. Yep. So this low too becomes my focus. So when can we be expecting a retracement? Yep. Well, possibly price might want to retrace to this bullish bearish order block right here, or this imbalance right here. So something like this can happen, then sell. So either of those, but basically it is bearish. So I don't want to predict price, just follow price pattern until this bearish order block imbalance is close above, and then this also is also expected. Then I can expect some short-term retracement uh, for this month closing, and then next month also maybe then later give us the further sell. So that's it. Quite clean for me. Yeah, quite clean. So I'm bearish on GBPUSD as well. USD card, let's say no gold. Let me see. Okay, let's check gold. Okay, let's check gold. Gold is all gold monthly. Not fully clear and clean for me. What I'm seeing is imbalance below this particular block. If price close below this place, I I believe price want to come to this place, but it's not fully clear. So gold is not clean for me. We are still inside this imbalance. And price, so right now at this bearish other block, so this low is enticing, equal low for price. That's a kind of enticing price, trying to seduce price. But at the same time also, this old high is also kind of seducing price. So price is in between this range now. So for now, gold is not fully clean. But if I am to give my view based on what I'm seeing on my chart, I would say gold is also bearish. Yes. So USD card. Let's check what USD card has in store for us. USD card for monthly, let's check. I've been calling USD card movements for months now, for a while. Yeah. And they have been accurate. Accurate. Can I see something here on monthly? You can see a bearish order flow kind of forming, big of structure. So, but it's not fully clear actually. So weekly, this bullish order block push price higher above this. Price could not close above it. Price weak it, which means it is a form of liquidity taking, and the price close back within this range. So if I'm to say the price came down to test this imbalance, quite clear. Price closed above the imbalance, which means price respected this imbalance. So what next? This high and this imbalance below. Which one? I don't know. So it's not fully clear. But when we go to daily time frame, it becomes quite clearer. This breaker hold price last week. So price is between this breaker and here. If price close above this place with a closing basis above here, I will believe that price will further go here to this imbalance. And now looking at our last week price close on Friday, I believe this is my own personal perception now that price should be bullish today and tomorrow take out this place, this high. So that is that on USA card. So see you guys next time. Please go to your own charts, confirm what I showed you. Don't use them to trade alone. So thank you guys for joining. Make sure you share this video link with your friends in your groups and discuss about it. Drop your comment if this video helped you to see something clearer. Thank you guys. See you.